Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to introduce how to play shogi. Especially chess player are easy to learn. Okay, like chess, Japanese chess has boards and the pieces like this. There are 40 pieces in shogi. Okay, there are 6 kinds of pieces in chess, but shogi has 8, which is king, rook, bishop, gold, the gold general. They're short for gold. And the silver. Knight, lance, and finally, pawn. You're lucky if you're a chess player because king, rook, and bishop, these 3 movements are completely identical to those of chess. Okay, so king can move 1 square in any direction. The rook can horizontally and vertically any number of squares. The bishop can move like diagonally any number of squares. Okay. There's no castling. There's no en passant in Japanese chess. Every single pieces, all the pieces can move and take at the same direction. Okay. Pawn. This is the weakest piece in shogi, and this can move only forward 1 step. That's all. Lance. Lance can move forward any number of squares, but like in chess, the movement is limited. If there's a piece that blocks this, there's your piece or there's opponent piece on this way. Okay. Knight. Knight is really similar to chess, but only move forward. Okay. Knight can move like an L shape, 2 steps forward and to the left or right, and 2 steps forward to the right or left in chess. But in shogi, 2 steps forward and to the side. It's the same, but only forward. Okay, so it jumps like this. Okay. Gold and silver are the most unfamiliar to you, maybe. Gold can move 1 square in any direction, but except diagonally backward. Okay, silver can move forward and diagonally. Okay, forward and diagonally. So not to the side and not back. Okay, that's all. But there's one thing you have to remember. That is, there are 8 pieces in shogi, but 6 pieces can promote. Okay. In chess, only pawns are allowed to promote, but in shogi, 6 pieces, except there are 6 pieces that can promote. Okay, gold and gold and the king cannot promote. There's no flip. There's no letter on this the reverse side. Okay, but unlike king and gold, for example, this pawn you can flip it over, okay, and promote it into this. This is called toking, okay, in Japanese. Toking can move like gold, okay. 1 square forward, 1 square forward, to the side, backward, and diagonally forward, but not diagonally backward, okay. This is, what is this? This is, yes, lance. Lance can promote it into promoted lance. This kanji means promoted, and this kanji means lance. Okay, so lance can promote into promoted lance. Okay, and like this. This is a, what is this? This is knight, and knight can promote into promoted knight. This is, what is this? This is silver. Silver can promoted silver, okay? And all of these are same movement, including toking, which is promoted pawn, promoted lance, promoted knight, and promoted silver. All of these are same movement as gold. Okay, gold can move forward to the side, diagonally forward and backward, okay, but not diagonally backward, okay. Rook and bishop. This is rook and this is bishop. In chess, you cannot promote rook and bishop, but in shogi, you can promote, okay. This rook can promote to dragon, and this bishop can promote into a horse, okay, horse. Rook, as I said before, rook can move vertically and horizontally any number of squares, but if you promote it into dragon, the dragon can move forward vertically and horizontally, but in addition to this movement, you can move diagonally 1 step, okay? Diagonally 1 step are added, okay? This is, yes, this is bishop, okay? But bishop can promote into horse, and horse can move diagonally and 1 steps forward, backward, and to the side, okay? Okay, that's all. That's all movement of shogi, in shogi, okay? This is board, and this is 9 by 9, unlike chess. This is 8 by 8, okay? This is your territory, and this is the opponent's territory, okay? If you promote it, if you want to promote your pieces, you must get your pieces into enemy's territory, and you can flip it over, then promote. Okay. Same things are applied to this rook. Okay, your rook here, and if you want to promote, okay, you have to get your rook into the enemy's territory. Okay. Of course, you can choose not to promote. Okay. For example, okay, this is enemy's rook and gold, like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. And like this. Okay. And this is your silver. Your silver here. Okay. If you can move your silver here, and you can choose promote or not to promote. Okay. You can promote and not to promote. Okay. But here, what should you do is not to promote, choosing not to promote. Okay, to choose not to promote. Okay, so like this, and then silver can move. What can this move? This can move forward and diagonally. Okay, so this means this silver forked these two pieces. Okay, so in this case, unpromote silver is a good way. Okay. That's all.